I got a few things in my hands here. Let's see. There we go. Hi, precious. Aren't you the sweetest little baby? Oh my goodness. I mean, it's, I don't have any flowers in my yard, and this isn't my yard, but oh, look at me. Oh, there. Hi, there's the little cottontail. Oh, so precious. I know. I hear you. You're probably saying sunrise. Oh, back to the bunny. And you're probably saying, well, if he was in your yard, he'd be in your flowers. He's just a baby. This yard gets him a lot, and this is not even on my block. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. I love the bunny. I know a lady. Actually, she has done all of my writing covers since, don't have me to count the years, but let's say since 2007. Whatever many years that is, 23 to 2007. I'm walking, I don't have time for the math. And she has rabbits, rescues, lop ears, I don't know. They're just really, really cute. She's involved with rescuing them, and I'm combining a couple little projects here. Do you see this? I'm going to the other side of my wall. I don't have a gate. If life were different and I was really invested in forever here, I would, and had the money. That's probably the most important thing. I would do one of the gates to make it easier for, say, contractors to access, drop off gravel or mulch or anything. It's very hard to get to my backyard. My next door guy, used to bug me why wouldn't I just change where the gate was, because the access to my gate is almost blocked by an air conditioner. You couldn't get a wheelbarrow through, right, without lifting it over the big ground unit. And that's what he did long before I arrived. He closed off his gate on one side and in his block wall, and he put a gate on the other side. And that's why his garbage is in my window, and they can drop the top. Just because you don't want to set it down, you want to drop it. So it's nice and loud. So I'm going the opposite way than I have been walking, which is no big deal, because I'm going to try to plant these Mexican yellow bird of paradise seeds. Now, I just started reading this morning something about soaking them, nail file, the works. These things kind of grow native. I'm just going to let them do their thing. I was waiting for rains to start, and we had a nice amount of rain yesterday. Decent. It wasn't a monsoon, just a thunderstorm. But we got enough rain where I'm hoping they take care of themselves. Oh, there's that. Oh, I should have brought the loppers again. Oh, that plant. I got to get it out of there. This is my digs right here. My poor lantana. I got weeds that grow here okay. So I didn't want to, since I'm on a walk, well, that thing is not going to die, is it? It's like, I'm not going to die. What is this plant? I gotta lop it. No way can I deadhead, by the way. I couldn't get up there to deadhead. Oh, that's interesting. Do we deadhead those? And I just grabbed whatever I had in the garage. I'm gonna scuff up some soil. I'm gonna stick them in. It's moist. Something about germinate them in 77 degrees. Listen, 100 ought to do it. They're not gonna get cold. Oh, look, there is a single, what I would call autumn beauty. All right, people are gonna stare at me like they do. Probably call the police. Look at the fruit on that thing. Boy, if you were a cactus fruit eating thing, that's a beauty. It's not mine. I wish it was. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna do a pattern. Listen, these things, like I was saying, they grow natively. My neighbor, for the red bird of paradise, I don't know why the yellow, I think the yellow would be more easily transplantable, because those are the ones I see growing natively along the sides of roads and people's scrub and everything. So I think these have the potential to germinate. My neighbor has a big red bird of paradise, and she has volunteers popping up all over it she can't control. Well, she can, but it's not like a weed or anything. She can, so I feel like somebody's going to call the police because I'm standing here. Isn't that awkward? All right, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, holding the camera in the other one. I do intend to complete a walk after I do this, so I didn't want to carry a lot of stuff. All right, these are the pods that I snagged off the tree at my friend's mother's house, or his house. Well, seeds inside. I didn't scuff them with a file. I didn't soften them. That's not really done in nature, so we'll see how they do. I'm not super invested. All right, I've extracted the seeds, and I'm going to, I've already dropped 2 seeds. Maybe they'll germinate. This little guy, yeah, I'm just gonna leave him here. He's gonna go over the wall in a minute. All right, let's see what we can do. This is my wall. I'll just plant any which way I want. I don't really have a way to hold these. Let's see. All right, I hope I'm not covering the camera. Nope, how do I get that stick? I just grabbed this. I didn't have in my garage. I came out the garage and I don't have my gardening tools there because I don't really spend a lot of time gardening. Let's see, maybe I should just dig the holes in. Two, three. I'll have to go back and get one of those. Oops, there's 3. I don't think I have enough. 2. Oh, yeah, I don't like to see that. Happy ants. See my baby? Look at my baby. Got my gloves, my stick, and I do have to come back with the loppers when I'll get that done. Oh, hey! No, not you. You are not a dove. You are a pecking kind of bird. Take off. Go, go. Yeah, that's it. Go next door. They like you over there. Okay, throw my stuff over the wall here. Here we go. Done. Okay. Oh, that's me planted up. Look at this. Sun shining on this assisted living. Isn't that just so pretty, that color? Maybe that's the color I want to paint my house someday. Is that fig tree? You guys like figs? I think it's figs, yeah. I don't like figs. You ever wonder if these weeds are going to turn into something? I think we kind of know this one's not, right? Because further on, they're kind of dead and burnt. That guy, I don't know what that is. We have a lot of wind through this thing, and people don't really, do much with their back. Again, remember, that is spineless, and not in a bad way. Okay, here we go. There they are. There they are. Look at those grapes. I'm gonna point them out. They're in there. Move my finger. And she probably won't harvest those. I love this yard. Wow, that Japanese honeysuckle is aggressive. 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 Ta 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 ta. See, now here's where they're dead, and there's where they're alive. And here is a yellow bird of paradise. That is, it's just seeded itself from somewhere. I doubt if that was officially planted. Could be though, as you see the cactus nearby. Cactus is getting too much water, I think. Not, yeah, those must have been planted. That's right, because that one's dead. Because, I told you this the other day, the source of water coming through just hit it constantly as we get monsoons, and it forces the water out of these yards. Thanks for joining me today. Talk soon. Bye. Ooh. I love these Bougainvillea. Even as it's dusk, they're so brilliant, aren't they? Thunderstorm. It's the season. Still not technically a monsoon right now, but I'm getting a lot of warnings about thunderstorms. Oh, those sunflowers. They are hanging everywhere. I'm still getting used to just experiencing these by myself. As far as, yeah. Oh, aren't these beautiful? They're just glowing. This still full of that. Goodness gracious. I noticed him when I was inside, and it was getting, well, it's not really dark out yet, but the sun was going down. They were so brilliant. Magenta, right? Beautiful lattice my friend made. Blowing off of that neighbor's roof. Let's see what it looks like out front. Ooh. I think the rain will come right at me. Actually, I better not open that front door. Let's go find out. All right, here we are. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Nothing special. It's just raining. Ah, it's just raining right on me too. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. Nope. The rain was coming right in the front door as I opened it. Oh, I love the colors of those. So beautiful. I watered late today. We weren't expected to have any rain. It's raining heavy over in the Huachuca Mountains there, the southern end of them. All right, back inside I go.